Hello. To do an ASCII export of a main program, what you need to do is you need to go into your input menu and go to main program selection screen. Select the program you'd like to go ahead and export and press F5, ASCII export, down at the bottom. It'll ask you, do you want to export a coherent project, meaning it will take all of the devices, all of the components, variable component parts, combined parts, contours, everything with these files. It'll make numerous files for this one project. Say yes, and then give it a name. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and put it in a file I created. I'm going to put it in test ASCII export, and I'll give it a name of test. And I'll say save it. And this particular project exported 3 files: the program files, the combined parts file, and a contour file. So I should have 3 files in that folder that I've created. I say OK, and I'll go out, look for my files, and there they are. So if I look in documents, test ASCII export, the file I created, there are my 3 files. Take all 3 of those and send them to me, and I can analyze what's going on. Thanks. Have a good day.